Welcome to Beginner's Guide for the C programming tutorial videos. Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are going to solve this problem. The problem is write the program to check whether the character entered through the keyboard is uppercase or lowercase. Okay, what are we going to check here? We are going to check the entered character is uppercase or lowercase. So the user is going to enter the character. So name of the variable is it can be anything. Let me say ch. So again, the user is going to enter the character, meaning that the data type that we are going to use is char. Why? Because the user is trying to enter the character. This time they are not going to enter the number. This time they are going to enter the character. So you have to use the data type as char. So what is the next step? I am going to write the printf statement to say enter the character. Now after seeing this message, the user is going to enter the character. That character will be collected through the input function called scanf. Since this is a character, so I have to use the format specifier as %c. So what am I going to collect here? I am going to collect this character. Right now I need to check whether that entered character is a uppercase or lowercase. So for us to do that, I have to write the if condition to say if that entered character is greater than or equals to a. So this a has to be in the single quotation, just because every time when you declare the character data type, the initialization has to be in the single quotation. So I am going to check the entered character has to be uppercase A or greater than uppercase A until when that same character is less than or equals to uppercase Z. If it is the case, what are we going to say? We are going to say printf that character, the same character, whatever the character that you entered, is a uppercase letter. Right? I hope you understand. If someone entered capital A going upwards, meaning it can be B, C, D up to Z. If they are uppercase, we are going to print is an uppercase. If someone enters the lowercase, so what is supposed to be done? The next case we have to say, let's say this one is a else if the character can be the lowercase a. Even here this one is a lowercase z, then this one is a lowercase letter. What if a user, instead of entering the character, what if they enter something else? Maybe they can enter number, or they can be entering the special symbols or whatever. In that case, we need to inform our users to say they are allowed to enter only lowercase or uppercase character. So if they enter anything else, we need to give the notification to say invalid entry. I hope you understand what it means. Meaning that the user is allowed to enter only the uppercase character or the lowercase character. If they enter anything else apart from uppercase or lowercase, we are trying to display the message to say is an invalid entry. Let's save then run. When I enter the uppercase A, it says it is not displaying the A here. So what is the mistake that I have done here? So I didn't put the CH here because I need to get the value from that input, isn't it? So that is the reason why it is not showing me the result. So save, then run again. Let me enter the A. Now A is an uppercase letter. When I enter the lowercase a, maybe let me enter the lowercase x. X is the lowercase letter. Instead of entering the character, let's say I'm going to enter something else. I'm not going to enter, maybe let's say I'm going to enter this at. So it's supposed to give me invalid entry. So this is a way that you can use if and if else condition in C program to check whether the character entered through the keyboard is uppercase or lowercase. This is a one method. And there is another one method in C program. There is a two inbuilt function which is there in the C program. One is upper This is a one function. The another one is lower is another function. These two functions are used to find out the character entered through the keyboard is uppercase or lowercase. You can use this condition, or instead of using this condition, you can use that inbuilt function which is come with a C program. So here I'm going to check uppercase, right? So I can use is upper function. Within that function, what am I going to say? I'm going to pass that input character. Even here I'm going to say is lower, the default function, then I'm going to pass that character. If you wanna use this inbuilt function is upper and is lower, then you have to use the header file called ctype.h. So this is a header file, is the one which supports these predefined functions in C program. Now let me run A is an uppercase. Let me enter the special symbol, is an invalid entry. You can use either that other method or this method. Is upper and is lower is the inbuilt function in C program. But if you want to use this inbuilt function, you have to use the additional header file name called ctype.h. In short, you are allowed to use either that other method or this upper and is lower method in C program. This is how you can use if and if else statement in C program. For more tutorial videos, kindly subscribe to Beginner's Guide.